runway 27 and wait.
Runway 27 and wait. Okay, got it.
Sofia Tower, we'll get a 977, platform for request clearance to Vernon.
Sofia 977, contact 120.2.
Sorry.
Do we have the chuck still on?
Traction 279 Echo, follow me instructions to stand to 15 Alpha.
Taxi with follow me, stand to 15 Alpha. Thank you.
What is triangle? Let's see. Is there some shocks or something? No, nothing? It's okay now? Oh yeah. Okay, check your brakes. Yeah, my brakes, checking brakes. Brake checks your brakes, my brakes. Copy, cabin secure. So right, left, and left on Charlie. Yeah. Clear right.
Continue your taxi to the left via Juliet, Charlie and Hotel.
Continue left, Juliet, Charlie, Hotel. As already clear. Okay, left on Juliet. Juliet, Charlie.
Juliet Foxtrot, report ready.
Yeah, ready for departure. Juliet Foxtrot.
So 6 Juliet Foxtrot in sequence line up runway 27 and wait.
Sequence line up 27 and wait.
Yeah, it's strange to suddenly have wind interrupts, huh? Not as bad as in Greenland, but...
Delta Charlie Bravo Alpha Yankee, surface wind 280 degrees 11 knots, runway 27, clear for takeoff, airborne frequency 123.
So Charlie on the left after.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, airborne frequency 137. Stand up, thank you, thanks a lot, bye-bye.
Okay, Charlie, 95. Clear right. Thanks. Je ne sais pas, monsieur. Okay, and next right on Hotel. Yeah.
Sofia 4, Bombardier, T19er, request.
Forget it, 319er, taxi via November and Juliet, Hochschild Hotel.
November, Juliet, Hochschild Hotel, Bombardier, T19er.
Are you able to expedite taxi until crossing intersection Juliet on Hotel?
Copy, we expedite till crossing Juliet and Hotel.
Bravo Alpha Yankee, contact approach 123.17.
Okay, we are already.
137, Delta Yankee.
Clear right. Cool. And next right on Hotel.
Boat 6 Juliet Foxtrot, surface wind 280 degrees 11 knots, runway 27, clear for takeoff, airborne frequency 123.7, goodbye.
I want to expedite, there is nobody.
12387, thank you, goodbye.
Maybe landing.
Report when ready for departure.
Report ready for departure. Right, taxi checklist. Taxi checklist, brakes checked. Press reverser checked. And takeoff brief. So
the 319er behind the
we are stop minded.
Left to right on Hotel.
Long runway, but bit weight now. So before when we stop,
Left to right, continue.
brakes as required.
Holding point,
With all the rest as briefed.
319er.
After departure, again we continue V2 plus 10 to 3250, then 80,000, V2 plus 10 and normal stuff, heading and flight level change. For the normal now, so expect right turn after takeoff at 2,300 and max 205, and after
Sofia, come on,
210.
Bombardier, final unit 7056,
Negative. And ignition on for the birds. Yep. So takeoff brief review, taxi checklist complete.
Between 280 degrees 11 knots, runway 27, clear to land. After landing, key fable vacate via Foxtrot.
27 clear to land, after landing, disable Fox, final unit 7056.
It's kind of difficult to see with all those droplets. Do you mind putting the windshield and the window heat to high?
It's an old one, okay.
Yeah, this part of the taxiway already looks much better. Takeoff checklist above the line.
Above the line. Okay. Above the line, cabin.
Secure.
Continuation on. HSFD not engage.
Okay, stand by.
Runway 319, continue full and tubing number 2 for departure.
Okay, TSFD, engage, above the line, complete.
Okay.
Can say ready.
Yep.
Now we are ready for departure.
Roger. Line up runway 27 and wait.
Line up runway 27 and wait. Below the line?
Stand by.
Okay.
Because I want to slow down, then I just give it a little bit of thrust for the wing anti-ice. Okay, anti-command.
7056, vacate via Foxtrot and continue Juliet November, stand 10.
Fox Juliet November 1010, Bulgaria 7056.
Okay, can you switch on the wing anti-ice?
The chair is on.
Yeah, just disregard. Let it blink.
Okay.
And takeoff checklist below the line.
Below the line, cabin, wing call.
Wind 280 degrees 11 knots, runway 27, cleared for takeoff, airborne frequency 123.7.
Clear takeoff, 123.7, 1 airborne. Okay, clear right.
Thank you.
You have the frequency?
Just put it.
Okay. 123.7. Okay, 123.7. Okay.
Thank you.
Confirm
So wing
on low.
anti-ice is on.
Yeah, and on wing chill low or high?
319, hold it holding point, runway 27, there one landing traffic.
So windshield window hit low, probs on now, CAS.
Takeoff config okay?
Takeoff config okay, runway checked. Checked. Takeoff clearance. Obtained. So below the line complete. Okay.
So runway update.
Yeah.
Now completed. Your brakes, your controls.
My brakes, my controls. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Check takeoff thrust.
B1. Rotate. Positive rate.
Here. Nav. Flight level change.
Flight level change.
And autopilot on.
Autopilot on.
LNAV 2.
Ryanair 6 Alpha Golf,
We
7
should turn right
to
now.
go. Continue approach runway 27, 1181.
Yeah, he will eventually do it.
118.1, 96 Alpha Golf, thank you, bye.
But good catch. Yeah, radar good day. Golyama 2 Tango, passing 3,800 feet, climbing flight level 210.
Sofia approach identified.
So 205 set, passing 4000, speed is 182, flap 0 please. And
Flap 0 set.
copy, set standard. Okay, we just finished the turn, so it's okay now. Passing 5,
Juliet Foxtrot, Sofia
Minutes
vector
checked.
134.1.
250 set now.
People die, okay.
And after takeoff checklist please.
Ignition.
Off.
Direct Golf Oscar Lima.
Direct Golyama. Thank you.
Direct goal please.
Approaching 8000, I will go for
Direct goal.
Confirm.
Execute.
Skydiving 5 Whiskey Hotel, rotor, expecting 10 seconds.
Okay.
After takeoff checklist, landing area up, flaps 0, thrust reverses off, climb thrust, set,
approach runway
transfer, APU off, CAS, APR, wing equal NTIs, pressurization is checked. After takeoff checklist completed.
Thank you. By the way, it was flat level change, was that change? 250.
It's bright.
Yeah. And 270 set. Check. And climb checklist, please.
Happy to release our friend.
Yes, nothing on the weather. It's okay.
So, climb checklist, brakes on, engine, APU off. Passenger signs, we wait a minute if you're happy. Pressurization is checked, not yet climbing, but that's okay. And altimeters.
Sofia 6 kilo, descending for 130.
Sorry, altimeters.
Standard.
9 kilo, double then Sofia, radar identified. Island, runway 27.
Is now on standard, passing level 121. Now, checked, approximately 40 feet high. And climb checklist completed.
Thank you.
Serbia 69 kilo, if possible during the descent, 220 or 230.
We'll be 230, Sofia 6 kilo.
Do you have the board? There it is. So I'll be a little bit more heads down than usual because of the short flight.
Yeah. You can already prepare the descent.
Exactly.
I can help you as well.
Thanks. I'll just be here. Then I
Winkles on G. You can switch off if you want.
Up to you.
Oh,
But I kind of think we will be always in the soup, if you know what I mean.
So let's...
SLBS 69 kilo from present direct Arker.
Back Arker, SLBS 69 kilo.